Have you ever wanted to create the perfect breakfast that everyone loves? Fluffy pancakes are not just a treat, they're a delightful way to start your day. As you begin this culinary adventure, the smell of warm batter and melting butter will fill your kitchen, enticing all those around you. Gather all your ingredients, including flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, milk, eggs, and butter, and set them out where you can easily access them. In a mixing bowl, blend together 1 cup of flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar, adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Stir these dry ingredients together until well integrated, ensuring there are no lumps in the flour. This foundational mixture is essential for the lightness you desire in your pancakes. As you prepare, take a moment to appreciate the soft, inviting texture of the flour and the sweet aroma of the sugar mingling with the baking powder. These ingredients are the building blocks of breakfast bliss. Next, in a separate bowl, pour in 1 cup of milk and crack in 1 large egg, whisking them together with 2 tablespoons of melted butter until the mixture appears smooth and creamy. This harmony of wet ingredients will help create the rich, delightful texture your pancakes need. As you mix, notice how the milk's creaminess blends seamlessly with the egg, adding a luscious quality to your batter. This combination not only enhances the flavor but also aids in achieving that oh-so-fluffy consistency everyone craves. Be sure to take your time during this step, it's pivotal to the success of your pancakes. Gently blend the wet ingredients into your dry mixture, folding everything together without overmixing. A few lumps are perfectly acceptable, as they will contribute to the pancake's airy texture. Remember, patience is key in this stage. A little care will lead to lighter, fluffier pancakes. Congratulations! You've successfully mastered the art of fluffy pancakes. Now, as you share them with your loved ones, bask in the joy of their smiles and the deliciousness you've created. Enjoy each fluffy bite, and remember, breakfast can be a wonderful moment to share together. Keep experimenting, and your pancake journey has just begun.